It's not a Gundam.
Oh, I was wrong. What is this? Figurized stand?
No, it's
Bandai.
not. You know nothing about it.
No, stop it. I can't get this anymore. Carl was gonna rip my face off.
So this one is Cybaster from Super Robot was OG. It's a simulation game released by, I think it's by Bandai, and it's like literally gathering all the popular characters and mechanical design from various robot anime. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. So you're gonna take the lead on this one because I have absolutely zero
understanding on this one.
I have zero clue on this guy. But hey, he's that looks like Megatron
Oh,
from Transformers,
okay.
or as we were talking about before, Transmorphers from Thailand. The Thailand DVD selection is fading, but we've got Cybuster.
Yeah, so this one is the original mechanical design from the game. So it's like an original character, and it has very different design, visual language, and logic compares to Gundam, I would say. And as you can see, it's in HG scale, it's 144, but I would say it's like 1/3 taller than normal HG Gundams.
Is that 144 or 100?
144, but
144.
It's very big.
But it's really tall.
Yeah.
Do you think it's overly scaled? Maybe it's too tall. Maybe it's closer to 100.
Yeah, sort of. Close.
Oh,
yeah,
interesting.
yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
And this sticker,
Mm-hmm.
obviously been put on after.
Mm-hmm.
What's this mean?
That's the game's title.
Oh, just in English.
Yeah. Super.
Oh,
yeah,
because they don't think I can understand that.
Yeah.
Well, jokes on them because I do. It says SRWOG. I'm not. I'm smart. I can figure it out.
Okay, so
Right.
just leave it.
I'm being managed. Oh my goodness.
So I would say they have a very special color scheme for this one. It's like a pearl.
Pearl.
Yeah.
I see that.
Yeah.
It's a nice little pearl color.
Yeah.
Like if you give it a little bit of reflection. Yeah, there you go. On this part here.
Yeah.
So it's a nice molded pearl.
Yeah, very nice molded.
It would look better painted, but out of the box, it looks great.
But actually, I think you can't paint this one because it has a special color shift effect under the UV torch.
What?
Yeah, it has. So if it's under a UV torch, it will turn to a light blue with a very beautiful velvet glow.
What?
Yeah. That's a.
You could have told me earlier. I would have got the UV light out and turned all the lights off. Actually, no, that's really dangerous, guys. That's really dangerous. We've had Nick here, and we've had Brett in here, and everyone's been in here. No UV light in this room.
Yeah, no UV lights. Yeah.
No. But yeah, we'll try and get some content on that. I didn't know that. So this is really special.
Yeah, it's really special, and you can't get the similar effect from Gundams. Yeah.
From paint?
No, it's like no Gundam kids having the same. Yeah.
No Gundam kits. Only this one.
Yeah, only this one.
Only like this brand or only this one?
Only this one.
Oh my god, that is just special. And it's still on our shelf.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Okay, so these are obviously the plastic glow.
Yeah.
I presume.
Yeah.
What else?
And they have like designed a special full Sigma.
Sigma.
No, Sigma. Sigma articulated.
Sigma articulated
joint. So it's like when you bend the knees, it will have a full.
Oh, 4-part.
Yeah, 4 parts. Yeah.
There's like 4 sequence.
Oh, yeah.
Sequence. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So there's a sequence of 4 parts on the knee that move when you like move it. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not just a singular hinge.
Yeah, so you will get a neutral posing when you do some poses like bending the knees or yeah.
Squatting.
Yeah, squatting. Yeah. And it has 3 stands.
Yeah, I see that.
You see that? It might shows clear on the
side.
Yeah. So as you can see.
Kind of movable.
Movable.
Sure. I can see that.
Yeah, that's stand 1 and 2 stands for the.
Oh, for the heads.
Yeah,
Oh no, what's that? High familiar. Cybird. They're little birds.
yeah. And it's a transformable kit, so you can have some fun with the transforming.
Kawa,
What?
what doesn't this kit have? Can you stop telling me how special this kit is and just tell me if there's something on this is generic? Because this is insane.
I know. Yeah.
Look, I'm just looking here. I spotted it when you were talking about the stands. You're like, oh my god, it comes with 3 stands. I'm like, I don't care. It turns into a bird. Look, it's like this big bird, Cybird. I was like, what the? This thing's crazy. And then it's like, that's its tail.
Yeah, that's the tail.
I wouldn't want to be the bird. I wouldn't want to be the bird. Anyway, let's get in here and have another quick look. So, purple parts.
Yeah.
There's 2 of the stands.
Yeah, stands.
They're the little stands for your bird or whatever they are. More parts here, and then the stand, the base.
Yeah.
You've got instructions.
Yeah.
Cybaster.
Yeah, it's a very underrated kit, I would say. Yeah.
And you think this is going to go together pretty good?
Definitely. Yeah.
They've put too much work into this.
Yeah.
Wow. And it comes with a big sword.
Yeah.
This thing like doesn't stop like impressing me. I think if I would have, I keep saying, oh, if I would have built a Bandai, if I would have built a Bandai, if I would have built this, that, it'd either be this or a Macross Zero. Like both of them are super duper impressive kits, right?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Thank you for showing me that. I had absolutely no idea that we were blessed with such beautiful kits. Let's bring them all out at the end of the show.
Yay.